In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings, find and pick wallpaper, and here pick either your gallery, wallpaper service or my wallpapers, and I will choose my wallpapers. And now pick the picture that you like the most. So let me apply, for example, this one, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, only your lock screen, or maybe both of them. I will pick the third option, so both. Here you've got the display, how it will be on your device, and then click on set on home and lock screens if you want to apply it. And here it is. As you can see from now, you've got brand new wallpaper and also lock screen. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.